Hey, wait, hold on now. I mean, Will, you got to keep the fire on the inside now. You can't be out here slapping people at the Oscars. We didn't work hard to get here now. But I understand. I mean, I knew you had it in you, but I didn't think you was gonna get up there and slap the taste out of his mouth. I mean, it's spit residue on the stage. You understand me? He can't taste tonight. Whatever Oscar dinner he was going to is canceled now because with tasteless jokes comes tasteless sensations, and now he won't be able to enjoy food tonight. Okay, but you gotta understand, you gotta be careful because when you get to your highest point, that's when the devil tries to come at you. Okay, so you gotta be careful. All right, going back to your seat now. Tell Jay that. Say, hey, you slept right out of him. That's my will. That's right. No. Go sit down. That's my man.